Hey guys, welcome to Project DIY. Today we're going to change the lens on the Viewsonic 9510L, and it's going to be a quick tutorial because it's very easy to do. So we start first with screws here on the side, pop the cover off and start the replacement. Before we continue, make sure to unplug the power first. Once we remove the cover, we'll remove the dust cover off. Here we have two screws that we have to look for. It's one over here, one down here. So loosen this up and then we'll slowly pull this down. Be very careful with it. You don't want to shatter the glass. And here we have our new part. I'm going to put the link in the description where to find it, and just as easy as that, back to place. Okay, it'll stay there until you screws back in. And after putting the dust cover, you put in the main cover in, back with the two screws, and you're good to go. So after we're done replacing the lamp, we have to go ahead and reset the lamp hours. We need to go to the menu, go all the way to advanced. You use the arrows here, two arrows, left, right, up and down, and the middle button to select. Go to advanced, and then lamp hour reset. And here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this sequence: down, up, left, right, and enter. Down, up, left, right, enter. And we'll see this message. So from here, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.